Non lo devi uscire, niente, la pizza è quasi pronta. Welcome to the best pizza channel. Look, take a look at this. Amazing.
It's a prototype.
Yeah, they never made.
Time.
First time ever.
Yes.
They never made something like this in the world. This is the first. So you imagine, and we are here today to review this oven. It's a pizza oven.
With?
It's a pizza oven.
Yeah.
Wood pizza oven for home.
Wood? No.
Yes. Yeah. Let me show you, Francesco. Hello guys, from Maestro Tio Copelli. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a unboxing and review. Yes, we're gonna do together, then unboxing, and then we're going to do review. So pay attention to this because this is something new for the first time in the world. I present to you the first cube stone ever in the world made for home wood, and is the first oven in the world rotated. Rotated.
Abbiamo una rotellina
rotante per casa, il primo al mondo
a legna.
Custo portable outdoor pizza oven
With
fire pit in one. Wow. The first outdoor pizza oven with rotating pizza stone by using wood pallets as fuel. It's eco-friendly and can cook authentic wood fire taste pizza. Well, in this case, we are going to see this today. The oven can reach max 1000 Fahrenheit. So we are going to test that later on today. Degree in 10 minutes. Can you cook a Neapolitan in 90 seconds? Wow. Cioè basically praticamente in 10 minuti.
Va a temperatura.
So it basically says that in 90 seconds we'll cook the oven. Quick, easy to assemble, portable and detachable fire pit can be used separately. 304 stainless steel, durable yet. Let's open up and let's see what's inside. Francesco is my friend and a co-worker in this adventure, in the unboxing video, and basically it come out with two boxes. So you open this one, you open that one. This is the actual oven. Let me put it down. There we go, one piece. Let's put that one on the side. Let's get little by little the pieces. Okay, this is probably the hood. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Okay. Let's put this one on the side. Be careful because the pieces are not put all in the same spot. Wow, so many pieces.
We have the temperature.
Temperature. We have I'm gonna put it right there. Wow, what hold on. Wow, looks like an alien. Ci sta? Here we have a little pizza stone. Little cute pizza stone with the holes, because of course I repeat, this is a rotating oven. Let's put it right here. Let me put this on the side 1 second. Okay, basically this is probably, yeah, this is the pallet where you put the wood. So this is probably where all the ash goes. And also you have this little piece to open here. Voila. Basically you open and then you put the pallets there. So let's go ahead and let's finish to build it. Done with the oven. The oven is built, so now we have to go ahead and try to build the rotating part. I see that the stone have 3 holes, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna put this on the bottom, and this also give 3 stone. So basically this one, it needs to go inside the oven.
Yeah.
So this one goes like this.
Yeah.
This one.
We're gonna build the
little balls.
Ball bearings.
Whoa. And this one goes inside right there.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead. It was easy to build, not too hard. So now we put this one, boom, boom. Let's put this inside the oven.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put the stone. There we go. Boom. Perfect. Voila. Now it's turning. So, well, it was very easy to build, no? Let's put the door.
Sì.
The oven is built. So now let's warm it up, and of course it's only wood, and we are gonna use the wood pallet.
Yeah.
Now we need to use some starter. We put it down here, then close it right here, and then we put the wood from the back here, and then we have to use pallets. So like this. Okay. So, not too much. So let's go ahead and let's fire up. So let's fire up and then go ahead and push it in. And let's make sure it's fire up the inside. Maybe we need to open this one. Let's open up. Let's see if some flame comes out from there. Be careful because of course it's gonna get really, really hot. So we have some smoke coming out from the inside, and then, yeah, so I see the flame. So something is burning. We're gonna go ahead and put some more pallets. So we have to keep going putting pallets. It's a little complicated, but probably we're gonna give it like maybe 40 minutes, 15 minutes. I mean, the paper says in 15 minutes it goes in temperature. But my experience, the stone, it needs a little bit, at least 30 minutes to warm up. So we're waiting. The oven is getting hot. Wow, what a big flame. Take a look at the flame. So we're gonna keep it closed. We're gonna let the stone warm up really well, and then at the same time I'm still gonna put some pallet inside, little by little, because you don't want to put too much. So let's go ahead, let's put it in. But be careful, don't get burned. Just put a little bit. Just a little bit. Boom. Voila. So I really high recommend to get some things to fire up the oven, some fire starter, because otherwise it's gonna be really tough. So let's see. It's a lot of flame. Done. Stone. Temperature is going up really well, but of course you have to wait that the stone gets hot. So we're gonna wait another 15 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and test this oven for the first time ever. Perfect. We have the flame nicely smooth, so we have to keep basically the door open. You know, to be honest, I tested one time already. It's a little bit it's a little bit complicated. I noticed that you need to have flame, because I see the oven a little bit dark, but you know, it's normal when you use wood. So let's go ahead, let's make this pizza, and then I'm gonna tell you my honest opinion. So I'm gonna make of course the classic cheese pizza to be able, and we have to see and I'm not gonna edit the timing. You're gonna have the right timing to cooking. Right cooking time. Yes. A little bit of olive oil. Voila. And now we're ready to go ahead and put the pizza in the oven. Put the flame. Perfect. There we go. And I see the temperature right here on top that went up really quick. So now we're ready to go ahead and test this oven finally. So now it's time to put a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go ahead, leave the pizza in the oven. This peel is a peel that came with the oven. And now let's go ahead and let's taste it. Wow. Little bit complicated because the stone moves. So nothing. I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm not gonna move it. And when I see that it's cooking on the one side, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it. This turning method it's outstanding because I never see something like this. You know, I can stay like this and just see when it's cooking. Instead of going getting the peel and everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it slowly, little by little. Little by little. See? It's pumping one side. Amazing. Voila. I mean, probably, you know what? If this oven was with gas, was much easier because we put so much pallet inside that, of course, everything with wood is complicated. But you know, now you'll find always gas and wood. Hopefully this company makes the oven with the gas and that will make your life much easier. But you can see the pizza is cooking really well. Amazing. Take a look. So I'm turning the pizza little by little. It says 90 seconds, but I'm not sure about the 90 seconds. But it's cooking well. It's cooking well. So I'm turning little by little. So I see the crust is puffing. And yeah, it's puffing. Getting there. Come sta venendo lì? It's cooking. Francesco is at the other camera just to make sure that it's cooking well. You know what I noticed in the other pizza that I try? I just cook the base part. Ce l'abbiamo là. Me la puoi dare quella, Francesco? So I put the door and then it was not really cooked. Not really cooked. What happened is that it basically come out too much smoky. So that's why that's the reason why I kept the door of the oven open now. This way the smoke comes out since it's wood. So it's cooking well. Sta venendo bella, eh? In the beginning I thought this was really tough to use, but I mean, this is the first time using this oven. I have to say, this is the most comfortable oven in the world because the turning peel, this is something genius. It's cooking. Cioè, è troppo...
Sì,
è facilissimo. Non lo devi uscire, niente, la pizza è quasi pronta.
L'unica cosa difficile è infornarla bene, forse.
Sì, è vero. The most hard thing, my friend Francesco said, is just to leave the pizza inside the oven. So the pizza is almost cooked. See, I can see because I'm turning, so it's very comfortable. I mean, these guys are genius. Tube stove, amazing job. Let me check the bottom. Actually, I don't even need to do anything. When the mozzarella start to bubbling, take it out. Che dici, Francesco?
Un altro pochettino su questo lato qua, che è un po' più chiaro. Sì, lì.
Usciamo? So now, let's take it out.
Forse quel pezzettino là soltanto.
Sì.
Lascialo lì così come sta. Sotto com'è?
It's cooked. It's cooked. I'm gonna help myself. And voila! Whoa! Take a look of the pizza. Let me get you close. Let me get you close. Whoa! Let me get you close to this pizza. Take a look. It's nice and crunchy. Guys, hard to believe, but they come out good. So, let me put some basil, let me get you close to see the bottom and everything, and then I want to see a comment below what you think. I want to see a like. Alzala. Dall'altra parte. Da sotto. In the meantime, me and Francesco are gonna finish the pizza with a little bit of basil. Voila, pom 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 pom. Little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and the pizza is nicely done. Of course, the pizza didn't cook really perfect on the bottom. Of course, I have two lights here, so the light is too white, so the pizza looks that it's not cooked, but it's cooked. Not all the way I was supposed to be. This is because I find the stone a little bit too thin, and of course it doesn't hold the temperature really well. So maybe that's the only bad thing of this oven. And then what I suggest to Cube Stove to make this oven also with the gas option, because it's amazing. Besides that, this oven, I mean, I think it's a really good oven. These things save everything.
Yeah.
It really is the most comfortable thing. So good job. And then I'm gonna give a vote to this oven. I'm gonna give a 8 to 10 because just because the stone, but this is the best part that is rotated. So now let's go ahead. Let's cut the crust. There you go, Frange. Outstanding. It's the crunchiest. Of course, the dough, it's amazing. And then, guys, if you want to check out my channel, of course, I have all the recipes to make this dough. So take a look of the crust of this pizza. Take a look. Outstanding. Made with Polish. Tieni, Frange.
Grazie.
A te l'onore. Now is the right time to go ahead and eat. Giusto, Francesco? Let's get close. Andiamo vicino ai nostri amici. Thank you so much, guys. Let's reach 50,000 likes on this video, and please share.
Cheers.
Cheers. Chin chin. Out of this world. Just the bottom part is not cooked really well, but besides that,
But it's not raw.
man.
Isn't raw.
No, it's not wrong. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you at the next one.
Bye bye.
Make sure check out my friend Francesco on Instagram. Come ti chiami su Instagram?
Francesco Lucchese 0.
I'm gonna write down right there. Guys, and tell me. I'm telling him to open a YouTube channel. Tell me, what do you think? maybe with all your comments below, he will open a channel. I'll see you soon. Ciao.